Oh, you know what that is? It's a prickly pear.
What?
Yeah, do you know what? In cactus, they actually grow a fruit that you can eat.
Yes, but they do not grow inside the leaf.
That's true. That was weird.
That was weird.
Okay, so we got
But it was catchy.
a nice cactus here with all the spikes taken off.
You know, this cactus is very expensive. One.
Really?
Yeah, once I saw it, I want to buy it, but it's very expensive.
I mean, it looks expensive. It looks
and
like
they got it up.
a classic cactus.
They destroyed.
They destroy my cactus. It's okay. 5 Minute Crafts has infinite, resources, so they can just make cactuses if they want. They have cactus growing facilities. Okay, we're making a spear.
Okay.
All right, getting this cactus down the spear.
And you wanna cook that?
I guess they're gonna cook the cactus.
That's kind of interesting. I wanna watch
Yeah.
it. I
Do
wanna
you think?
watch.
Have you ever eaten cactus?
No, never.
Okay, I think it would taste.
I ate only fruits.
Okay.
Yeah.
You'll only eat fruits.
Yeah.
Your whole diet is fruits.
Yes. Sorry, I interrupt you.
No, it's okay. I was just wondering, does it taste like? I imagine it tastes like a big cucumber.
Now I feel this taste.
Yeah. Okay, so we're wrapping some yarn through this pot. Okay.
Huh?
It says soup. So is it? Oh, there's a hole in it now. Okay.
But
Why?
what a weird construction.
Yeah. What was the
right?
point of putting that
You
step
just
in
put
there?
it- Yeah.
So they cooked the cactus. Ooh, let's see what it looks like inside. I want to see. Oh, it looks kind of good actually.
You
Ooh,
think so?
it looks like it tastes like well, I don't know about the texture though. Yeah, I don't know. If it was smoother, I would say it looks like it tastes like ice cream, but it doesn't.
I
With
kind
avocado.
of feel weird feeling about it. I wouldn't try it.
Yeah, they're not gonna get avocado in the wilderness. That's just not gonna happen.
She survived, but at the same time, she has a lot of things around to make it. Okay, some candy with your sugar, and now you have a candy. Easy peasy. Yeah, of course, it works like so. Yeah, no doubts. So, okay. Meat. Dang, I feel hungry. Yeah, okay. So, not bad. This actually looks tasty, and I would try it. Yeah. Dang, I'm hungry. Yeah. So smashed potato out of chips. Dang, I want to test it. I think it's awesome. It's gonna be awesome, right? Chips, they are smashed, and it's a smashed potato.
Okay.
Chips out of potato, right? So everything legit. Yes. So aloe vera. So I don't know. Okay, that's could be tasty. And now they're gonna grill it, right? Oh. And follow me there. Oh. Yes, that's tasty. That's dang tasty. Wow, I wanna eat it. I'm hungry. I'm always telling myself eat before shooting, eat before we start reacting some videos. But no, I'm again hungry and I wanna eat it. Shall we stop? And okay, after this video we'll go to eat something. Oh, nice. Yes, it's legit, nothing special. Yeah, it's what's happened with my voice. But wait a second. It's a bag. It's a paper bag, right? And she put it on the fire. And it worked for some reason. How it didn't burn at all. There is a magic, yeah, definitely. So, some cooking. again. So what is this dough for? And what is it? The jam? Some okay. What are you doing with me? I really want to eat. I really. And now you cooked it and it radically, yes, it's a pie. Yeah, nice. That's a nice pie, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're cooking inside of a watermelon now. Okay. All right, we're getting some sausages. Oh, you got a little lid on it.
Oh, it's like a Weber grill. Not a sponsor.
Yeah, it's a watermelon Weber grill.
Yeah.
Is that a gourd? Oh, it's a gourd. Nice. All right, so we're stripping off pieces of the gourd. Are they gonna make like a? Oh, they're making like a pasta, maybe. Oh, they're making a pasta out of the gourd. Wow. You can do that with zucchini as well. Zucchini pasta is the best.
Okay, let's try it. I never tried it before.
Ooh.
Yeah, you're right.
I think so. Oh, I could be wrong though. Look what they're doing now. They're hanging it up to dry.
But usually when you make the pasta, you dry.
Oh
it
yeah, you
before
dry it
cooking,
first.
right?
Yeah, maybe. Okay, so garlic,
It looks legit.
some wild garlic to go with that wild cat. Wild basil. They seem to have a lot of tools when they're surviving in the wilderness.
True. But maybe she very experienced one. And
Yes,
she know
yes.
what
She's able to
exactly-
find everything, yeah.
Yeah.
She's like, oh my gosh, I found this whole cooked turkey in the wilderness. Thank gosh, I was hungry.
I will take everything instead of grill because I will use the watermelon for grill.
Exactly.
Nice.
I don't need a grill, I need a
Smart
watermelon
cookie.
from the wilderness. Okay, so we're getting some aluminum, crunching it up. Oh, use it as a shredder.
Wow.
Okay, I guess that works. That works.
That's smart. That's
Okay,
smart.
after all your
Pasta.
gourd pasta is ready, it's time to boil. Okay.
Actually, I would try it.
Looks alright, yeah, it doesn't look too bad.
So
Using
use
her
a
hat as
hat.
a strainer. This is very
Like a
interesting.
sieve.
She's just like, I just want to ruin everything I have, actually. You ever want to go to the wilderness and ruin everything you have? I get that urge sometimes.
I think you didn't ruin it, but actually you're right.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
She can wash the hat in the
Yes.
river, yeah. Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah.
With some like kind of pesto sauce on it. More cheese.
Survive cooking hacks. Looks good.
This is some Gucci survival. This is like the Louis Vuitton of survival. That was fun. Ooh, okay. And she's got a cool view and everything. Wow.
Nice place.
How did that watermelon just open with that crack?
Actually, I saw this hack, but it should crack the right
Up
from
at the right area, right? It
yeah.
cracked right above.
Yeah.
That wasn't supposed to happen.
But maybe we don't know something.
More
no.
prickly pears.
Oh, you know, once I want to buy these fruits
Yeah.
in the market, and you know, I didn't notice any spatula for it.
Yeah.
And I took them by hand, and I didn't know they
have spikes on them, yeah.
have spikes on it.
Oh.
Wow! And after that, one of the mentored there. But why you didn't use this?
They had like tongues or something.
Yes,
Oh, no.
but they were some, you know, not on that place.
That's so funny
Yeah, it was that moment.
that you knew
Yes.
that you messed up. Okay, so
So-
we got some more garlic. We're cutting that here. Hitting it with a rock to break it apart. Smart. Onion. She has a really good knife for the wilderness. Again, just saying. Good way to cut onion.
Some
Okay,
Pringle,
crisps as fire lighters.
also,
Maybe. Kind of want to test that.
it should work, but it's a waste. Of
It is a waste of food. So yeah, she could have
You
just
can
eaten
use
that
something,
and
yeah.
had some food for the day.
But you know that noodles also very good for fire. Your
Really?
Yeah.
You can use noodles to start fire?
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
okay. I did not know that.
I tried it
The more you know. Okay.
with film on Fireman Crafts.
Nice.
Episodes, yeah.
Okay, so we're using this again as a bowl or as a pot. Watermelon pot. So she's adding all her ingredients. She's gonna mix it all up with a little bit of water.
And We need to test it. We need to cook something.
I want to
for
cook
men.
something in a watermelon.